COVID-19 has created an environment where people are fearful of large gatherings with a high density of people. Government regulations such as the 1.5-meter rule have contributed to this. This has impacted local businesses as many customers are afraid of local spots where there is a higher probability of large gatherings. Due to these restrictions, people are unsure about the operating hours of local businesses, which detracts from potential sales that SMEs could make. Introducing Compass, providing people with real-time information of how many people are present at a given location, as well as up-to-date operating hours of local businesses. Compass is an easy and convenient way for customers to search for local businesses, see the operating hours of local businesses, and view the foot traffic to see gathering density to ensure safety during this pandemic. Compass allows an effective and easy way for businesses to update their customers on their operating hours, post any deals or sales to draw customers, and gain invaluable insights from foot traffic data.
We have decided to fund our initial capital through investors and business credit cards. This will avoid the hassle of credit card checks and fees involved. Our main revenue stream will be the subscription plan for businesses. We have two options. One 12-month lock-in contract which costs $300 or a $30 month-by-month plan. The total cost of our app development will be $301,250. Of this, $120,000 will be going towards our team. We'll also be getting a software engineer and a programmer externally, which will cost us $47,500 and $45,000. The marketing component will cost us $28,500. To place our app on the iOS store, it will cost $136 per year, and to place it on the Play Store will be a one-time fee of $34. As well as this, for the first year, we need to take into consideration our team's wages, which in the first year is going to be $160,000. In the first year, we expect that 5% of retail hospitality businesses would register on our app. This equals 1,186 businesses. Of these, we aim 80% to choose the yearly plan and 20% to choose the month-to-month plan. This would equate to $370,000. Here is a graph showing our total costs and total revenues over the next 5 years. From this prediction, we expect to reach break-even by mid-2022.
Moving on to marketing, looking at our potential customers, there are about 6 million Australians who have downloaded the COVID Safe app. From this, we can determine that these customers would most likely download our app as well. Looking at our potential competitors, a lot of them aren't actually well established yet, so we have the potential to be the first market movers and gain a lot of market share. And finally, for our go-to-market strategy, we will be implementing digital marketing. Our initial target is 600,000 downloads in 6 months. In our digital marketing strategy, we aim to use the 3 apps TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. TikTok and Instagram are for the younger demographic aiming for under 40, and Facebook will target towards the older demographic but can still include the younger.
For our solutions architecture, we have chosen to build the code base for the user interface using React Native. React Native would allow us to spend less time writing code and more time perfecting the little things that we know the users will care about. The back end will be supported by Node.js. Both React Native and Node.js use JavaScript, meaning our developers will be competent across both front-end and back-end duties, reducing development costs. It also reduces development time by allowing code to be reused across both ends. Node.js will utilize the Python REST API to perform complex The whole back-end will be hosted in the cloud and supported using various AWS products, including database solutions. AWS is a proven provider of cloud computing. The people counting systems will transmit the data they collect to the cloud in real time via a simple hub connected to the internet. When the app requires data to display to the user, the aggregated data will then be passed down to the front end where the user will be able to display real-time changes on the user interface. Measures such as load balancing will